Yes, I'm just about turning on.
Fucking hell, this lady's angry with the dog.
I'll watch it later. Oh, nice.
Yeah, that must be the pure gym, no?
I think so. I'm not sure what it is.
You've got unlimited storage in your iCloud.
Not unlimited, no. I pay for it. And it's going, I'm actually now 75%, so
Okay.
I'll soon need to pay even more. Yeah, it's pure gym.
Oh, nice. Oh, the House of Pain. I love this place. Pure gym. Come on.
Like you froze, like Matrix, frozen.
Yeah.
If someone was doing something on the floor that they could have just done at home. What are they getting They're not using any equipment.
I mean, maybe they're stretching. They're stretching before they start working out. Or they're cooling down, should I say.
Yeah, you can go around it because you won't throw it.
Oh, nice. Careful. Beautiful. This is nice. Beautiful.
Heavy for you. I did like 10 minutes of exercise.